guess what's going down, or I guess what went down. So yesterday around October 26th, after dinner, we left home and then straight to my mom's friend's house to pick her up. So then we all rode together to the airport, or our airport in the Philippines, and then we arrived there around 8 or so, I think. No, 9 already. Around 9 p.m. plus. And then we went through the check-in, the immigration, all the entire process that you go through when you're going abroad. And that took around about almost 2 hours, and then our flight was at like 12:40. So we were able to make our flight, which is the good thing. And then we got in Korea around like 5 in the morning, because in Korean time, right, because they're 1 hour ahead. Then we also rode the train to Seoul Station, and then we rode also one more train to Myeongdong, because that's where our hotel is at, like the hotel that we booked and stuff like that. We got to our hotel around at 1, and we left our luggage there, and then we went to another shopping place, like a market. I forgot the name. I'll just insert name here. And then we walked for around 2 hours or so, and then we came back here for check-in, because check-in doesn't happen at 1. Check-in starts at 3 p.m. So we came back at 3 p.m. check-in, and then we slept for a good solid 3 hours, because we didn't get any good sleep since the 26th of October. Now it's 27th. So now we're gonna go to Myeongdong's underground shopping center, if I'm not mistaken, and we're gonna walk somewhere and then finish the day off with that. And then probably after you see the clips from the underground shopping center, it's most likely clips of dinner, and then getting ready or preparing to go to bed. And then the next day, which is day 2, and then I'll talk to you guys about that, what we're gonna be doing for day 2. On day 2. Yes, sounds like a plan.
Hey. Hi. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
With videos.
Yes, I do. I upload unboxings of albums.
Oh.
You are not aware? You should subscribe.
Well,
Subscribe.
How can I subscribe if I don't know what it's called?
Subscribe.
How?
Imagine if you made a separate video without silencing the audio. They'll just behind the scenes
Oh,
yeah, all the demonic sounds don't
Bro,
hear.
a while ago I swore.
Oh.
If I upload that, you're gonna hear me swear. That's really sweet.
Ayan na yung mineral nito. Sweet eh.
I find it it tastes like actual strawberries.
21,000 na. 21 plus.
Like actual strawberries.
23.
There's no artificial stuff in here. It's all natural. Very healthy. my gosh, you guys. I went to the supermarket, no, convenience store, supermarket next door, and Stray Kids is literally everywhere on here. Like, they love Stray Kids or something. Like, they sell light sticks. Like, light sticks. Is this second one? Yeah, it's version 2 light stick of Stray Kids. Look at all this makeup. Look at the hollow packaging. I love that. And the third floor, there's K-pop albums. Let's go. Elevator. Let's go. Shall we do an unboxing of the albums that I got? Because it's just a few actually. I was planning to make it into a separate video to upload like unboxing haul, but I didn't buy that much. So maybe I'll just unbox it in today's vlog. Mini haul time. We got these two from Sunshine store. The Fight and Escape, the tiny ones that I don't have in my collection. And then we have Go Live, the blue version. I don't have the blue version, so this is what I needed. Some transparent photo cards, because I've always wanted transparent photo cards. I already have Enhypens, so I got TXTs now. Next time I'll buy Stray Kids. So this Go Live, I got it from Buru Track. I probably butchered that hardcore. Oh my gosh. Alright. So for the TXT transparent photo cards, look at those. It's so pretty. I love it. Alright. Let's start first with Go Live to see who we pull. I forgot the name of this version. It's just the color blue one. I'm doing this on my bed in the hotel room. When you open it, it has a holographic like tint of the logo. I dropped something off the bed, whoops. So we got these. The lyrics, awesome. Then we got the bookmark. I don't know if this is random. I think this is random. I got Felix and Ian. I always pull Ian somehow. And then we got these things. I already have like a bunch of these. Now for the photo cards. Oh my gosh. Lino and Changbin. Oh my gosh, I love Changbin. Look at how cool he is. And then Lino. I love that. And I got the photo book. Great. Okay. Now we can move on to the TXT ones. These were given to me as a gift like a birthday gift because my birthday was 2 days ago. So this was given to me as a birthday gift rather than me buying it. But the Go Live album and the TXT transparent photo cards weren't gifts. I bought those with my money. So we have the mini photo book. That's really cool. How lovely. Then the photo cards, they're right here. Oh, just a photo card, I guess. A holographic sticker. And then photo card. Kai! Oh my gosh. Look how cute he is with his hair. The collar, like, it's like cotton candy hair. I live for it. And then we have tiny poster. I think this is also random. We have Bomgi and Taehyun. Oh my god, I live for that. And then this thing, whatever this is. Oh, it's Yeonjun's postcard. It says his name on it. It has a message, which I will, I guess, translate later. Moving on to this version. This version is like more of matte, and then the last one was glossy, which is like, that's also the case with the regular albums of this. I opened it and I saw who I got already. It's Bomgyu. I love that. He's so good looking here. Like the choker, the red choker that he's wearing, it's to die for. And then for this one, we got a mini poster. We got, and then we have Bomgyu's postcard thing. That's great. I'm gonna put the photo cards back in because I don't have like anywhere to put it that could protect it. I didn't bring any sleeves or anything because I'm an idiot. I forgot. I guess that's it for this mini haul. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy any more because it's kinda on a budget. But we'll see.